Heroes. Every country has heroes that are important. Let's look at two different heroes from different cultures. Bayajan Mumishuli was born in 1910. He was very educated. Bayajan began working as a rural policeman, but after a few years he joined the army and became a military leader. He fought in many battles and was famous for his bravery. Bayajan wrote several books including One Knight's Tale and Moscow is Behind Us. To this day, people remember him as a people's hero of Kazakhstan. Angelina Jolie, the beautiful actress, was born in 1975 in Los Angeles. Her father is called Jon Voight and he is a famous actor. In 1991, Angelina became an actress too and acted in many films. These days, though, most of her time is spent looking after her 6 children and doing work for charity. She also works for the United Nations and helps the poor people from countries at war. What do you think of these two heroes? Do you know any other heroes from other cultures?